This is going to show you the files that I need. So you're going to go to settings now. Remember, my machine's going to look a little different than yours because I have all the updates to the menus and whatnot. Just follow the key presses and they'll be the same. So we're going to go to settings and then system admin. Now when you push system admin, as you're probably aware, it's going to ask for a password. The password is 520. I have that turned off on my machine so it doesn't ask for it. But just so you're aware, if it asks you, put in 520. Excuse me. Now you want to go to System Data Manager, right? And then we're going to do an export. Now, we don't need everything that's already checked. So what you do is you just check the all and then uncheck it and then arrow down to the ladder and highlight the ladder file, the ladder files only, right? And it's going to dump, I don't know, maybe 6 files out. Hit next. Now you're going to want to select your USB. I'm going to select my network. I'm going to do next. After you selected where it's going, do you want to export the system settings file? Hit OK. Files exported successfully. Great. Now if we come over here and we look at my laptop, you can see these files down here that it dumped out. And the one that I need is the one that says cnc.lad. I don't need the alarm PLC files. You can just go ahead and delete those, but send me this cnc.lad file. All right, friend, hope this helps.